Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are going to practice day 3 of our 5 days yoga for PCOD. Again I repeat, this sequence can be done by anybody and anybody can practice this, but particularly we are focusing on the asanas which can be helpful in PCOD. Before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it. Also you can follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. And people who are looking for the content in Hindi, I have another channel with the name of Yoga with Neha. So if you are looking for only Hindi content, if this is difficult for you, then you can find my videos over there. Okay, so let's get started. So whatever we are going to practice right now, it's kind of continuation for our yesterday's video. So yesterday we worked on our lower body. So today we are going to continue again from there itself. So practice yesterday video and day for yesterday video and then practice few Surya Namaskara warm up. You can end of the day you can make it like 30 to 40 minutes of complete series. Okay. Now keep your both the legs slightly apart. We're gonna try for a deep squat. Okay. So in a deep squat, you're going to push your hip completely back. Inhale, you go down. Exhale, you come up. Okay. So inhale, go down. Slowly exhale, come up. Inhale down. Try to push your hip back. Don't push your knee forward. Knee should be like back. You should be able to see your toe very clearly. Exhale up. Focus on your hip joint. Push it back. Don't tilt your spine forward too much. Try to keep it straight. Down, center. Inhale down. If you have a knee pain, then you don't have to go so down. Focus on your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. You should feel in your thighs more than your knee. Inhale down, hold. Open up your chest, look forward, stay there. 5, 4, engage your stomach. 3, 2, 1. Slowly bend forward, take your leg back. Okay, from here, try to lift your shoulder up. See, from here, lift your shoulder up. So, balance on your hand so that you can get your right leg in between both the palm. Inhale, exhale. Now, when you get your leg forward, you have to keep your stomach kind of like engaged. It's not like you're leaving your body loose completely. So, when you hold your stomach slightly tight, it's easy for you to lift your leg forward. If you have any doubts how to get your leg forward in between both the palm, there's a link in the description. Go through it, you will find it. I have made a video on it. Okay, we're going to repeat it a couple of times. Inhale back. See, my hands are, look at my hands palm. I'm majorly focusing on my fingers and my shoulder is extended. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. If you're not able to continue like this, you just hold in the posture. Okay. You just stay here for few counts. If you are able to move, then continue. Inhale, both the knees straight. Exhale forward. Try to kick and get it forward. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Hold. 5. Make sure that back knee is straight. Your back leg is on your toe. 4. Extended shoulder. Look forward. 3, 2, 1. Leg back, forward. You don't really have to place your palm down because when you place your palm down, your shoulder comes down. So extend your shoulder so that you can feel the stretch in your hip joint. So more drop your hip joint closer to the floor, you'll feel the stretch. Deep breathe in, breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now leg back. We're going to take a quick 10 seconds break. Otherwise you can feel your thighs are already warmed up enough. You can feel the warmness in your thighs. So just relax in a child posture or Vajrasan. A quick relaxation for your thighs. You can continue moving your leg back and forward maybe 10 times or 15 times. Eventually you can increase the number as well. If you find it difficult, then you can also hold there. Okay. Moving forward, your wrist and your shoulder should be in one straight line. Now again balance. See, from here I am lifting my palm on my fingers because it really depends. If you are not comfortable with it, do not do it. Keep your entire palm down, because this is something which depends on individual to individual. Okay. Now from here, same thing we are going to repeat, but we are going to keep our leg outside the palm. So inhale, exhale. From here, see, hip down. It doesn't go up, your hip goes down. Back. Other side. Back. Forward, hip down, knee straight. Back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward. Now here, hold. 3, stomach engaged. 2, 1. Now drop your knee down. If you think previous one was difficult, you can drop your knee from the beginning itself. Okay, open up your chest. Now you're going to drop your right elbow down. So when left heel is out, dropping your right elbow down is always easier. Okay, because when you want to drop your left down, you'll feel a lot of stretch in your hip joint. Eventually you want to do that, but then listen to your body, and if you're ready for that, and then only you practice. Okay, this is like a basic version to intermediate. So this is extremely basic. Little ahead, drop your right elbow down. If you are comfortable here, if you think this is what you want to stay here, just hold. If you think you want to go slightly ahead, drop your elbow down, both the elbows down. 3, 2, 1. Now drop your palm down, toe in, lift your knee up, leg back to full plank. Same thing the other side. Left leg forward, knee and ankle going to be in a straight line. Drop your back knee down, toe pointing out. Now if you are comfortable here, if you think this is the max, hold. If you can go ahead, drop your right elbow down. This is much easier. If you want to make it slightly more intense, drop it down. Other hand too. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come on your palm, toe tucked in, lift your knee up, leg back. Now from here, we're going to take our right leg forward next to the right palm, and left leg forward next to the left palm. All of you can come here. Okay, see, knee and ankle is going to be in a straight line. Now push your knee out, toe pointing out 45 degrees. Now you're going to drop your hip down. Spine. So try to push both the knee out from your elbow. Lift your spine up straight, neck up straight. If this is difficult, because I know few people cannot sit here, deep squat. Then if you think you are here, I have again made a video on how to practice Malasana. You can see that and you will know how to practice. And again, shortly, if I want to tell you, you can maybe keep some pillow or any towel, fold it just below your heel so that you will have a better balance. And continue to be here. Lift your spine up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, just from here, without moving your spine, drop your hands down on the floor. Okay. Now, take your focus on my palm and the wrist. Do not move your palm even by ½ inch. All you have to do is you have to move your hip up. Lift your hip up and down to seated. See, my arms are still pushing my knee out. So continue to do that. Inhale up. Don't have to straighten your knee, just down. Inhale up and down. Now stay here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. Take your palm back. Take your leg back. Knee down. Come to child posture. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly come to center. Spine straight. Both the hands back. Now try to open up your chest and look back. A very mild stretch. Keep your stomach slightly tucked in. 3, 2, 1. Center. That was a simple sequence again, added to yesterday's practice, whatever we have done. So after this, you're going to practice pranayama, Nadi Shuddhi, and after Nadi Shuddhi, you can practice meditation for 1 or 2 minutes, and then continue to be in Shavasana for some time. Once you feel completely relaxed, and you can complete your the whole practice. Make sure warm up is again very important, and regular sequence, and then pranayama. I hope you have no doubts here. I mean, I try to make it very clean. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment box. Thank you so much.